Okay, east side of Cardoza Park, we have gentle rain. A few crows have already been down. This guy's trying to decide just what he wants. Okay, Honey Nut Cheerios. All right, eat the good stuff first. Okay, across the street from the east side of Cardoza Park, in the same evergreen tree where we've seen it before, we have a Cooper's hawk. Jay spotted it. And he's just sitting there. Looking around. Not really doing much.
Go wide and then go to the crows.
I don't know where the crows are.
Eating.
Okay. So he's across over there. And the crows are over here having peanuts and Honey Nut Cheerios.
Over there.
And over there. The squirrel. Squirrel. Yeah, he got a peanut too. Well, good for you. Yeah, I don't mind feeding squirrels. Yum, 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 yum. Okay, great. Yes, I'm looking at you, looking at me. Okay. And we're gonna go on. Hey, we're at Freddie and Fluffy's feeding area. Both of them are wet because it's been raining. Still is. I have an umbrella covering me and the camera. And this rain today breaks 38, 39 day dry spell. We had no rain at all in the whole month of February. And February is one of our rain months when we're supposed to have rain, so not a good thing for drought. California, who's still dealing with the drought, even though we've had a great winter last year. How's the water dish, dear?
It's got water in it. It's about half full.
Okay. Alrighty. We'll move along. Yeah, he's going for the worms. Over the fence. Okay, so Buddy took the last two worms and flew over the fence, and he's coming down for peanuts now. There we go. He will go find a place to bury it. Here we go, this next peanut. To the fence, down. Okay, we have some kind of bird that's on the left side of the redwood tree nest tree, west of Lutheran Church. I don't believe it's a red-tailed hawk, but I don't know what it is. And because of the fact that we don't have sun out, its feathers aren't illuminated, so maybe once we're home we have a better chance to see what we're looking at here. Okay, we are not setting up our little pocket Nikon today because of the rain. I did put a little bit of food out, just not as much as I normally do, but I figured I can at least get a little bit of footage of sparrows and finches. Titmouse, that's an oak titmouse that just came in for a peanut piece. And over here we have the usual finches and sparrows. The kitty cat was at the back of the park, and Jay has put his food down. And he also left out a few little pieces for Casey Sparrow in case he shows up. We don't know if he will. Okay, I've opened up the umbrella again because it's still drizzly. Trying to keep my camera dry. And I do not see Casey Sparrow. It just may mean he'll show up after we're gone. Okay, we have Casey Sparrow. But we're going after pigs right now. Look, a chicken.
No chicken.
Okay, there's the pigs. More than one. Oh, big and little. No, I mean
Yeah.
littler.
Yeah.
Littler than the two that's easily seen. Little. In fact, they're so little you can barely see them moving. Okay, back to Casey Sparrow. He's right there. Well, he just may not be able to get to the food with kitty cat facing the way he is, and I don't blame him, you know. Protect yourself. Be careful. Be careful, little guy. Yeah, so he needs a little more distance away from kitty cat. Or to wait until kitty cat's done, and then he has free access.
Come on. There.
There we go. Oak titmouse. I'm hoping to catch a little chickadee come in. Another oak titmouse. Come on, little chickadees. I know you're out there. On our return trip, Fluffy's here in all her wet glory. Yes, there's a good girl. Yeah. They didn't eat all their food.
Where's your brother?
Not here. So I know that sound. Oh, here he is. Coming up behind you.
Freddie. Freddie. You too.
Okay. we're going to head on. We're at Mr. Blue Jay's area. Mr. Blue Jay and Mrs. Blue Jay were not here on our way to the park, but Mr. Blue Jay at least is here on our return trip. Jay is putting down peanuts and lots of worms because they're near their expiration date. We need to get them taken care of. Come on, it's okay. Alrighty, I can do this. Just nummy. Oh my gosh, it's like a buffet. All you can eat. Okay, he's back. More of the mealworms, because, well, there's about 3 more left. 1 more left. He may fly off again if he's feeding Mrs. Blue Jay. Up in the tree, but she's not up there. Yeah.
And food exchange over your head.
Oh well. Okay, Jay just informed me that Mr. Blue Jay fed Mrs. Blue Jay in the tree above me. Okay, got your peanut? Alrighties. Make your cute little noises that you make. Yeah. Go bury your peanut. You'll be back for more, right? Not that one, alright. Alrighty. We're going to leave him to it. He took a peanut. He did not take a worm. Shame.